Hello, and thank you for choosing UCANCAM. The following tutorial will lead you through the installation process. Firstly, please do not insert the USB dongle until after the installation is completed. Now insert the disk into the CD-ROM. Run the setup file. Click Next to continue. Please read through the license agreement carefully, as UCANCAM is owned by Beijing Wentai Software and Technology Corporation and is also protected by copyright law. Choose your installation path. Press Next to continue. You also have the option to create a desktop icon if you wish to do so. Configure your installation settings here, or reconfigure them by pressing back. Pressing Next will begin the installation. When you see this window, the driver for the USB dongle will begin to install automatically. When you see this window, plug in your USB dongle. The installation is now complete. Press Finish to exit the installation. To check that the USB driver has been installed properly, go to your Device Manager, which can be located in your control panel. You will find it under the Smart Card Readers tab, and it will look something like this. Now, with the USB dongle inserted, you can now run UCANCAM Pro. And that is the end of this tutorial. Thank you.